WizKid
Baba ni ala mwenzo kusave vuga. Lokajia.
Yo, welcome WizKid Starboy.
Hi.
Yes, you're welcome, WizKid. Starboy.
I'm like, is it worth it? Is someone okay?
Alright, oh boy. Msaji kwanza kwa kola.
Ala Uganda.
Finally.
Right? Finally. Down Kampala, Uganda. Very excited to see my fans. Big shout out to Pepsi. Big shout out to everyone involved. I really can't wait to see my amazing fans, man. You know, Uganda is like my second home, and I waited for so long to come back. So I really feel special coming back on this occasion. So I can't wait to see you guys. Yo, make sure you get your tickets. Yo, come out. Let's have a great time. I love Kampala, Uganda with all my heart. I love my people, man.
WizKid.
Yeah, man.
Why is it so difficult for you to come in Uganda? Whenever you come to Uganda,
you see me here, right? You see me here, right? I'm here now. So, any disappointment? So I'll see you guys at the show, yeah?
Hey, what about Mose Radio? What do you have in?
Yeah, man. You know, we already said I put up a tweet. You know, tomorrow is gonna be dedicated to my brother Radio,
sure.
And we're gonna be doing something special for him and his family. So you know, I can't wait for that. You know, Radio was like a brother to me, so I really want to honor him in every way that I can. So big shout out to Radio. Big shout out to everyone that supports, you know, Radio and Weasel. Love you guys so much. Love.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. It's your boy DJ Tunes. We're live, Uganda. We're here. Starboy WizKid is in the building, so we're getting ready to turn it up. Tonight, December 5th, we're making history right here in Uganda. So come out, show out, get your tickets, and let's support African music. One. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Kim from EXW. WizKid, we're here actually at the arrival. He has arrived, so he has shown his commitment to his fans. The event is today. The tickets are 30,000 and 80,000, obviously, ordinary and VIP. Kololo Airstrip, gates open at 3 p.m. I hope you have your tickets. Let's show the same commitment he has shown us by turning out in numbers and enjoying ourselves. What else do you guys want to know?
What should people expect from the show?
Guys need to expect an electrifying show. He has come with his whole entire band. He has never traveled with a whole band. So this for us is like an amazing thing. It's going to be electrifying, it's going to be energetic. Obviously, as he tweeted, there's a lot about this show that touches him because Uganda is home to one of his favorite musicians who passed away, which was Radio. So there's going to be a tribute for him as well. So for us, this is not just amazing about WizKid, but it's amazing to find a way to remember Radio by his favorite artist, who was his favorite artist. So yeah.
Okay. Why did you let the artist arrive on the same day of the show?
We allowed the artist to arrive on the same day of the show because he's arrived for the show. So he's here for the show. I don't know how else to answer that, you know. Saying that I allowed him to arrive for the show is correct because he's here for the show. He's not here for anything else.
Yes.
So, anything else, guys?
Where is the show going to be?
30,000, 80,000.
You're hearing the interview. People don't know who she is.
Yeah,